I'm gonna run him over.
Run those demon fish over. Run them over. You can do it.
No gunshots, but they getting low, 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 low.
This is TheRealSqueaker and TheGirrafeLawd, and we're playing Far Cry 4 again. Hopefully we get more progress done than we did last time.
I wanna test something.
Nope. Oh, you threw a piece of meat. What is meat gonna do? There's no wolf. Is there? No, really. That's a leopard. A leopard!
No, you can't get me up here now, can you?
I get the skin. Oh, no, 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 no. I got the skin. I'm getting it. I have the leopard since you freaking had to call him in.
Why'd you have to kill him?
Really? You're gonna ask that question. Why did I have to kill the animal trying to kill me? You're gonna really ask that?
It doesn't make any sense.
Well, just come on.
I gotta pop my wrist. Turn off the C4 first.
I saw the C4, and this is a failed. Wait.
Joke on you.
You had a C4 too?
No.
Oh, you shot it. I see what you did there. It's all clear to me now. You placed a C4 when I wasn't looking, and you exploded it. That's what happened. Let's bask in its glory.
Where's the elephant? There should be an elephant in here again.
Let's bask in this glory, okay? Come on. Let's bask in it.
I want cake. There. There's no elephant.
I didn't kill him. It is a deserted town. I think an elephant here will just die. That's why there's no elephant here.
I'm leaving you.
Wait, you actually are. Wait, you actually are. Hey! Of course, I don't do anything, okay? No, you're gonna. Oh.
No, you get on. You get in the truck.
No, because I know what you did
Get off
to
of
it.
here.
I know what you did to it.
Do you really want to go there?
I really want to go there because I know what you did to it.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Let's go get a base.
Go on and get in the car now. There's a truck.
Boom! Boom! Drive by it, in the front.
There. No. Help me. Harry.
What?
Help me.
Ah! What'd you do?
Help me, Harry. Help me, Harry. Shut up. Hi, Harry. I wonder what happened there.
I did too. That's why I'm cutting this part out.
You didn't know I could pull out a grenade launcher while I was dead, did you?
Yeah. Wait, you can? Well, I didn't know that.
It's because you don't have a grenade launcher.
Well, I'll get one if that's what it takes. Now let's do something productive, okay? Instead of just sitting here blowing everything up, let's do something that'll get us somewhere, okay?
It's not my fault I died because the truck hit me.
What? The truck hit you and you... Well, you didn't have to explode everything.
I didn't explode everything.
Get out of there. What are you doing? Get out of there. Get out. Don't blow that up. Don't blow that up.
I just watch it hit the water. Alright, let's go.
Get on.
Why are you in a boat?
Not in the boat.
So it's land versus sea.
Wait.
What? Okay, I'm still taking this.
Wait, wait. Hold up. I'm trying to get in. What are you doing? What are you
Hurry
doing?
up.
What are you doing? Okay? Hold on. Let me in, okay? Thank you. God, oh my God. What are you doing? Let me in. Oh my God. You killed me. You killed me by running forward and back. How does that even happen?
Wait, I have to help these guys. Where are they?
You don't have to help them. Help me. I'm not a computer-generated person. Wait, you're just gonna leave me? I see how it is.
I'm kidding.
I can. Oh, thank you. Then come and get me then. Thank you. You're really gonna do this? Okay, thank you. Let's get on with this.
I see that.
What? Pick up.
I see that.
See what?
What'd you do with it?
What did I do with it? I don't know. Are you sure? I don't have sticky. I don't
see,
have.
this is why we should take separate vehicles. I'm not even damaged.
Ha! Ha! Come and get in the car. Wait, there's people.
Oh great, now look what you've done.
I hit a tree. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, what happened? You fell. Get on.
Some people
I have auto drive on. What?
have been detected.
Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in.
Hold on.
Oh, saw something.
I got canned food.
I run that guy over. We're having a race.
I'm gonna give up.
I got you a four-wheeler. I'm getting you a... Never mind. Screw him. I can't get you a four-wheeler. I tried. I'm just too terrible at this game. Got him. Wait, we
You're
have
about to
another...
get sniped.
We have another truck. We have two trucks now. Isn't that something? Come on, let's go. Now, let's do this. Let's get a base. So far we've done nothing. And I want to be productive, not do, like, I want to do... What are you doing? Move! Go! Oh, you're marking it.
I was doing something.
Okay. It's like I'm a back gunner. I have this. You gotta go in stealthy, not just come in there with a truck who's shooting and everything.
Duck, 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 duck. Harry, get out of there.
I'm sorry.
Don't go in yet.
What's up, my nigga?
No, disable the alarm. No. Harry, just screwed us. Oh my God. See, you could have disabled that. But no, you just had to go in. Just like that.
Trust me, we'll do this. We're good enough. Oh my God, I must die. No! Gimme. 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 Reinforcements are here.
It's only because they're calling in reinforcements. Otherwise, I would have let you die.
We're coming in from the north.
Yeah.
Dude, there's so many people. And they have Molotovs.
Yeah. So do you.
Dang it!
I actually have this.
I'm out of ammo.
Hold
Help
on,
me,
there's
I'm
no-
on fire.
Yeah, I can't help you. I don't want to catch on fire.
Help me. Burning a fire.
I'd rather not catch on fire.
I fell down. Burning ring of fire. Wait, help me now. I'm not in fire. I'm not in fire. I'm not in fire. Come and get me. Get me.
Hold on, I'm gonna
now.
kill these guys first.
I'm about to die. I'm dying. I'm dying.
Okay.
Dying. The screen's red. The screen's red. I'm dying. I'm dying. Screw you. These are my final words. Screw you. And screw you, because I see what you're doing. I'll
You
get
can't
you in.
fit.
I'll get you in there.
Attract them out here.
I'll get you in there. Trust me.
Or drive up here. Yeah, drive up here to drive right up on the rocks. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm over.
Don't kill. Oh. You're a terrible driver.
No, I'm a good driver.
Go up on the rocks.
Screw you! I'm getting out and killing these people.
To do everything myself.
No, it can't get me. Wait, who is this? Yeah! We did it! 4 out of 24! First try!
The forest is on fire.
Hey, we're freeing this country of terrorists.
I'm
A
out.
little bit of force might be
I am so
destroyed.
out. I am. Ah, man, I hit my thumb and it really hurts. Why do you have to go in loud? Why can't you just be silent?
Who's playing?
My God.
Because I don't have any
Ah.
I don't have any silent guns.
See, this is how you go in with a machine gun on the back of a truck.
No, you don't. That's not how you go in. See, I was actually being pretty stealthy
That's what I
until
use,
you got
but
the machine gun
I'm
and
just
started
using
shooting everyone.
the back of a truck right now because it has infinite ammo.
Heavy, 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 heavy.
Oh my God, you found a hunter?
No, heavy. Heavy.
Bring the wolf to me. Alright.
I did not find the
Killed
wolf.
it.
I brought a heavy. Not a wolf, heavy.
See?
We're heading your way now.
I found a hunter. I did find a hunter though. Where's the alarm?
You can't shut it down once it's already activated.
Oh really?
We're coming in from the east.
You can't. Wait, I got a mortar.
I don't care what you have. God. I'm gonna go skin this wolf.
What are you doing? We gotta kill the reinforcements. I'm not skin a wolf right now.
Oh my God.
That worked. Oh my God, he punched me. He punched me. He punched me. He punched me. Yes. Yes. What? What? There's nothing funny about that. Come kill these people. I feel like I'm doing all the work here.
What?
Why do I feel like I'm doing all the work? Because I'm the only one dying.
Again?
We're coming up the road.
How many people? Thank you for ruining this. Kill him! Kill everyone!
Hold up.
Yeah! Yeah, first try, 5 outposts!
And the
We
forest
did
is
it
on fire
again! We did
Hold on, let me invite you to my game.
Come on,
I will.
am I getting in that truck?
That's sad.
What is?
That's really sad.
What? Yes! Yes! Kill him!
No gunshots, but they getting low, 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 low.
1, 2, 3,
Make the ground shake.